Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical and Electronics Knowledge. So in this video you learn what is transistor, types of transistor and about bipolar junction transistor. So let's start this video. So what is transistor? Transistor is an electronic device made of three layers of semiconductor material that can act as an insulator and a conductor. Transistor come in many shapes and sizes. There are two main types of transistor are number 1 bipolar transistor, number 2 field effect transistor. Small low power transistors are enclosed in a resin case to help protect the internal parts, but higher power transistors will have a partly metal case which is used to help remove the heat which is generated, as this will damage the components over time. We usually find these metal body transistors attached to the heatsink, which helps remove the unwanted heat. Friends, don't skip this video. Watch the full video to learn all about transistor and bipolar junction transistor. Transistors are small electronic components with two main functions. It can act as a switch to control circuit in digital electronics, and they can also amplify signals in analog electronics. We are going to mostly focus on the bipolar junction transistor in this video. So now let's talk about bipolar junction transistor or BJT. The bipolar junction transistor was developed by Dr. Shockley along with Bell Laboratories team in 1951. The BJT is a main building block of the all modern electronic systems. It is three-terminal device whose output current, voltage and power are controlled by its input current. In communication systems, it is widely used as the primary component in the amplifier, and an amplifier is a circuit that is used to increase the strength of an AC signals. And in digital electronics, the BJT is used as a high-speed electronic switch that is capable of switching between two operating states. A bipolar junction transistor consists of two PN junctions. The junctions are formed by sandwiching either P-type or N-type semiconductor layers between a pair of opposite types, as you can see in the picture. So, in this bipolar junction transistor, there are three doped regions: the emitter, base and the collector. And based on the doping of the three regions, it is known as either NPN or PNP transistor. Now let's shortly discuss about emitter, base and collector. Emitter is a region situated in one side of transistor which supplies charge carries to the other two regions. The emitter is a heavily doped region, and the base is the middle region that forms two PN junctions in the transistor. And the base of transistor is thin as compared to the emitter, and it is lightly doped region. Collector. The collector of a transistor is always larger than the emitter and base of a transistor. The doping level of the collector is intermediate between the heavy doping of emitter and the light doping of the base. And I have already mentioned in the video, there are two types of BJT transistors, namely NPN and PNP. You can see this is the NPN and PNP transistor circuit symbol, and the direction of arrowheads at emitter in PNP and NPN transistor is opposite to the each other. So friends, I hope you understand about transistor and bipolar junction transistor from this video. So friends, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and if you have any question, let me know here in the comment section below.